Here are guided meditation for anxiety relief in a natural setting. Anxiety can be overwhelming, but meditation can help. Guided meditation takes it a step further by providing instruction and focus. If you're enjoying this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Doing this in a natural setting can enhance the benefits. Studies show being in nature reduces stress hormones and blood pressure, boosting our sense of well-being. Find a quiet, secluded spot in nature. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and let your body relax. Visualize yourself in a peaceful, natural setting like a forest, beach, or mountain. Imagine yourself inhaling the fresh air and feeling the sun or wind on your skin. Focus on your breath and count each inhale and exhale. Let your thoughts drift away as you breathe deeply and slowly. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself like I am calm and peaceful, or I trust in myself and my abilities. After several minutes, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to adjust. Take a few deep breaths before standing up. Meditation can be a powerful tool in managing anxiety, and doing it in a natural setting can amplify the benefits. Try this practice regularly to promote relaxation and inner peace.